The gaskets go on dry.
Okay.
You have to just make sure they're matched the cover as you go on.
They pretty much.
I don't know. I think these are universal, aren't they? No, they're different front to back. See the straight edge? We got square on this side and rounded that.
Is this wrong?
This one is correct. You got that one on the backwards or not? There's a flat side and a rounded side.
Flip it over.
See, that's rounded. That's flat. It looks like that's the straight side is flat. You had it right. Might have been upside down though.
I had it right or what?
You had the front to back, but it was upside down.
No, that's correct.
There you go. Okay, so you gotta pull these ones off. Where's your towel? Wipe off the excess oil on top.
Gaskets weren't too bad.
Yeah, wipe all this stuff off in here.
Aren't we gonna need that?
No, we don't want that inside our motor. That's the cleaning fluid solution. An oil mix.
Why wasn't it sprayed properly?
He blew it off.
Oh man.
Here, Lorenzo.
Finish blowing this off.
Go blow it off correctly this time. It's still got squeegee in there. So which one looks the worst?
What do you mean?
We'll put the worst one in the back. You don't see hardly any of it. The front one you see more of.
This one's not too bad. I think they're good.
All right. This is the last time to be able to clean them, so you better make sure you do a good job. Looks better than it did.
Poured and polished.
That's right. See how nasty this looks right in here?
Yeah.
So that's probably up on the top where you can never get to it. So that's probably was the front one originally. We'll see if the other one looks the same, then we'll know for sure. Spit and polish, nice and clean.
Yes, sir.
The gasket's still on it. You still got squeegee on it.
Oh, you said take the gasket off?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah.
You want to blow it again?
No, I use my leg. Okay, we're not going to clean this one. We clean the other one. So
What the screws over here, Siamese?
they're laying over there somewhere.
These three right here?
Should pay attention to them.
Yes.
I don't know if they're all the same size.
They're on that side, but not this side. This is long, the other side is short. See, I kind of wiggle them around until all the bolts start. Mine are all started here. Get all yours started. There's some more bolts under here. Oh, I think he stole your bolts. What did I just drop? Screwdriver? Oh, that's what it was. Alright, so what size is all that? Probably this one. There
I
you
think
go.
we're gonna have a problem with this. This right back here.
What? Let's pull it back off. Alright.
Let me see.
That's alright.
Nope, it's good.
You got the wiggle? I thought I had them all out by me. Okay, we're good. Okay. Okay, bring these all the way down, but not all. Don't go until they touch because you get all the other ones in first. Damn, that one's going good hard. There's a lot of Loctite on that bolt. Whoop, 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 whoop. Jackpot! Winner! Yeah, lost it again. Socket's on your side. Nope, socket's on your side.
Shit, I'm having a problem with this one.
Here, you grab the socket.
Yeah, I got the socket.
Ratchet's on underneath the bike. Let's see, is this 1/2 inch or 7? I think this is 1/2 inch. That means it won't work. See, this fancy tool here. I was going to try to. It was on your side of the bike over there so you can use it. There we go. This does work over here. There we go. I got my own tool now. It's a special Harley tool here. I thought this was for an Evo, but it didn't work very well. I guess it was a twin cam tool. See, I'm lower profile than you, see. Still doesn't fit in there though, see.
You tighten up your side, Tatro?
They're not tight, they're just down. I'm waiting for you to get your side in there.
God, wait, man. I gotta be stuck with the pain in the ass, man.
Yeah, I had them before. Okay, you got one of yours down there yet, Lorenzo?
What'd you say, Tatro?
You got any of yours tight yet?
Yes, sir.
Tighten that front one down you got right there. Another one you in the back. Whatever. This bolts all the way down?
Have you put any Loctite?
No, I didn't put nothing on these. You need Loctite for. No, they had Loctite on already. We need more for.
12, say, see, I don't take this shit hard. Shit serious. They'll be joking and shit. This I like to talk about.
I can get them. I can get it all. I can get them from my side. See?
Oh, nice tool, Tatro.
Yeah. Really strip them out with this big long ass thing. It's not a torque wrench though. How you going on your side? Nice and snug.
Get in there.
Fun. Use the 12-point. You got the 12-point half over there? Or are these 7/16?
7/16.
Use the 12-point version. You got the 12-point on there now?
Yeah.
Yep, use that. Probably flip it over, be easier, but.
So I need to sleep in bed.
Okay, mine are just touching right now.
Shit, y'all partying, joking, cracking jokes and stuff. Yeah, this is what I'm working on.
Okay, let's see what kind of torque we're gonna run on these.
It's the MC Club.
That's pretty tight.
We MCing. Turning wrenches.
Yep, that's tight.
Never mind that guy over there.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, so I made you want me to redo it?
Yeah.
Okay, roughed in.
All jokes aside, we take this MCing series.
He's trying to act important over there.
Never mind that guy.
Yeah, I got a phone. I got a light on mine.
Shutting me off.
See the time?
Time to go home? Not yet.
No sleep.
Straight hogging, man.
What are you doing over here? You done yet? Here, I'll trade. Here, you're in charge. See, you get this out of the way slightly so you get a full wrench on it, see?
Yeah.
Press that blue button if you want to send it.
Those are already...
Tatro, I'm going down a little bit.
Okay, I got mine pulled in, so you're alright. This one here, I dropped it
So
down
I
like
mean,
that.
if you want to redo it, let's redo it.
What are you filming over there? Okay.
It's not more better than turning wrenches.
Doesn't fit in there. This one does, so. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight.
So when I press it, it goes through.
Ah! That hurt.
Yeah, it's going through.
That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Damn you.
I
Push
gotta
it.
fire this
Thumb
fucking
hurts.
thing up. See what happens.
Yeah, let me check it.
I think I'm tight enough.
Nah, still loose. Jeez, I thought you were gonna tighten these things.
I don't want to crack anything. Oh, you already did these, huh?
Oh yeah.
Feel some manly strength. Huh, Tatro?
We used a different wrench.
Got a little bit of power in your.
It's a different wrench. Tight, tight, tight. Okay. You already got all these wires hooked up over here already? Good job. Everything's all hooked up.
Spark plugs?
Put them in.
We need to put the gas tank back down, plug that in, put the exhaust on.
Yeah, this camera.
About 20 minutes.
There you go.
20 more minutes will be done.
Okay, I cleaned all the stuff off the plugs here, nice and clean. So now I'm gonna put a little anti-seize on here. Don't get too much, because you know if it gets on the spark plug tip, it will not work again. It'll permanently destroy the plug, which is only matters if you only want your bike to run. I also put a little bit on the exhaust bolts over there if you look. So hopefully this will keep the spark plugs from going up in holes like they're trying to do. Sticking. Okay. Now spark plug sockets have a rubber booty in there to hold the plug, see? And they always have some kind of a hex up here for tightening. So if you're getting in tight spots, not for going like this, it breaks everything. That everybody wants to try to do when I give them the spark plug tools. They don't use this, they go use this and it doesn't work. Dumbasses.
Idiots.
Yes they are. That one's there. That one's there. Okay, we've got a wire over here we got to hook up.
This goes into the gas tank.
And the tank has to come down first. Okay, so I think everything's all re-hooked back up on the bike that we disconnected. He did all the stuff over there, I think. It looks like it's all good to go. Okay, and I got the, like I said, I did exhaust. I already got the bolts on there, so we can do the exhaust, I guess.
Okay.
Put that up on the tripod.